Hi, let's complete the face of this drawing together. In previous video, I've shown you how to draw around the face. Start drawing the eyes by sketching a curved line. The lower part of the eye is also a curved line, mirroring the upper eyelid. Define the lash line of the lower eyelid, as it greatly enhances the beauty of the eyes. Draw the eyebrows about 1 centimeter above the eyes, aligned with them. Draw a line in the lower radius of the circle, positioned in the center, extending from both sides to the starting points of the eyes. This is the placement area for the nose. Draw 2 lines from the center of the pupils down to the edge of the circle. Now you can easily draw the lips just as I am drawing them. Erase the guidelines and start shading. First, shade all around the face with pencil. And then, fade it with a soft brush. To shade the eyebrows, first, shade the entire eyebrow area evenly. And fade it with a soft brush. Now, use a mechanical pencil to draw individual eyebrow hairs one by one. Shade the area behind the eyes to add depth and dimension. Fade your shading with a soft brush. Also, shade under the lower eyelids, just like the area behind the eyes. Darken the eyeliner to enhance the definition of the eyes. To shade the pupils, first darken the outline around them, then shade the top part darker and the bottom part lighter for a more realistic effect. Use a blending stump to fade the eyeliner inward for a smoother, softer effect. Use a sharp pencil to draw the eyelashes in a flicking motion, keeping them irregular for a natural look. And use a mechanical pencil to draw thin lashes between the ones you've already drawn to make the eyes look more beautiful. An important tip in drawing the nose is shading. Shade the underside of the nose and blend it towards the eyes for a more natural look. Again, fade your shading with a soft brush. Shade the lips with a pencil and fade it with a soft brush. Use a kneaded eraser to lighten the center of the upper and lower lips, creating highlights. Then use a pencil to draw the lines and wrinkles on the lips for added texture and realism. Use a mechanical eraser to highlight the shine on the lips, adding a natural glossy effect. Drawing the line of the chin enhances the shape and beauty of the lips. Shade the line under the chin and along the neck to add depth and definition. Use a blending stump to shade the ears, making the shading look more natural. And it's complete. If you are new, please support me by liking and sharing this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.